Hey guys, what's going on? So check out what I just designed. This right here is a one-piece origami 4-pointed ninja star. And yeah, and if you make these two folds right here and put it on the table. Oh, sorry about that. See, it spins a little bit just like that. And yeah, it's pretty cool. And so I'm going to show you how to make this, and then I'm going to show you how to lock these down more. You can see on this model, see it's kind of open a little bit. And on this model, I did a special way to lock them down. See? And this is what it looks like. And so yeah, I'm going to show you the full build of these. Alright, ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this tutorial, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami. But you can probably use a sheet of printer paper cut square, so let's begin right side up and let's fold in half. We're going to start out by making a pinwheel base. Okay, and fold in half this way. Alright, unfold, and now fold two sides to the crease. Okay, and now fold the short sides to the middle. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to fold diagonally in half, and we're going to take this point and fold it to that point and hold the layers down so they don't slide. Like this. So fold it in half, crease that sharp, and when you unfold it, just separate these 2 points, and these get folded, and that's good. Okay, and now do the same thing in the other direction. So fold this point to here and hold the layers down so they don't slide. And fold it and unfold and just separate these 2 points. Let those get folded. Just like that. Okay, and now take this and pull it out, just like that. And repeat on this side, take it and pull it out. And repeat here. See? Just like that. Okay, so now fold this up like this and fold it down. So here we have the... Oh, kind of fix one up real quick. Alright. Okay, so here we have the pinwheel, and now turn over, and now we're going to take this edge, and we're going to fold it to this edge. Like this, and repeat that on the remaining 3. Okay, just like that. And so here we have the ninja star, and it's actually technically complete. See? So here we have the ninja star, and so there it is. And if you want it to spin on the table, just make this fold and that fold, so like this mountain fold, or you can turn over and make the fold on this side, like this, and fold here. And then make them at the same time, so it makes a point right there. And then just put it on the table and see, spins a little bit. Oh, it's kind of hard to spin because of the points, but yeah. See, there, see, so it spins a little bit just like that. And so there it is. So now I'm going to show you how to kind of lock these points down more. So here goes. This is kind of a tricky step, so fold at your own risk. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna lift here, just like this. Which side? Yeah, this is this side. Okay, so we're gonna open this pocket here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this interior flap inside, and we're gonna fold it in between this point, like this, and you want this point to align with that edge. See? Just like this. Kind of hard to explain, but yeah, it's about like that. So in between here and here. Just like that. And as you can see, it's now locked together now. See? Just like that. Okay, and now do that 3 more times. So I'll show you again on this one. So take this interior flap inside and fold it in between this point and here. See? Just like that. See? And now it's locked. Okay, and I'm going to fast forward these other 2. Alright, once you did that, here is our one-piece 4-pointed ninja star complete. And yeah. I tried to fly it earlier, but it doesn't really fly. This is just more like a display model. But yeah, it looks pretty cool. So, there you have it. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed folding this, and make sure you subscribe, and let me know what you think. Alright, see you guys later.